Hey guys, Vic from Big Y here. Making this video, we've been getting a lot of questions lately about how our wading staff folds out and how to use it. It's a great tool to have out there on the river. It's very light, it's made out of lightweight aluminum. Let me show you first off, this is it all put together. It has a little locking pin right here, which when it's put together, it is out. When you take it apart, it will push in. These are really easy to put together. They will come with a holster, which you will put on your wading belt. And to pull out, you will pull out the staff and hold the top piece of the staff and pull it, push it forward until the pin comes out and locks in place. Then you're ready to get out there and cross a deep stream. They also come with a guard on them here that you can screw on the tip of them in case you're fishing in a river with lots of gravel or sand, somewhere where the staff is going to sink into. That will prevent the staff from sinking. They'll come with a cord as well that holds on to the holster, so that you are able to, just let go of the staff, let it flow in the current, or if you drop it, you can recover it easily. To put it right back in place, unlock the mechanism, and you can fold it right back into the holster. It's a great gift for the holidays. Great for you to get for yourself to be safer out there.